Hi guys! On this video I am going to show you how to make a dog. Let's start. We're going to start with the head first, so I'm going to make an oval shape. Like this. So that's going to be the head. And then we're going to make another oval shape that starts right about here. And then we're going to do 2 circles for the eyes. So I'm going to color this. So 2 dots. Okay, so make sure you guys check the distance between the 2 eyes. And then we're going to do the eyebrows. And then let's move down to the nose. I'm going to make a circle here, or another oval shape, let's say. And then we're going to color this also. And then we're going to move down to the mouth. So 2 lines on each side. And then just 1 down here. And then we're going to go up. We're going to do the 2 ears. And then let's measure on the other side here. Make sure we are in the same line. And then going down to the bottom, the same line where it ends. So let's go to the other ear. And then we're going to move down to the body. So we're going to start from here, both sides. Let's make a dot. And then I'm going to go down. We're going to do the same thing here on the other side. Go up. And then the 2 legs, which are on the back, where these ones we cannot see very much. So we're just going to do the sides like that. And then the bottom part where he sits. And let's go up here. We're going to do the little tail. So that's about it for drawing. And then we're going to use a bit of color. So let's start coloring. So I am going to use brown and orange and maybe a bit of pink here for the mouth. So let's start with brown first. This kind of looks like dark red, but that's all right. I can go with this color. So if you guys have brown, use brown. It looks brown from here, but when you check, it's red. That's fine. I guess I can make my dog red. So whatever color you guys prefer. You can make them black, you can make them brown, gray. So I'm going to use few colors. So it's not going to be only one color. So let's color all this the same. So these are the front hands or the front legs. Okay, and then on the other side. Then I'm just going to fill up the spaces, the ones that I didn't fill on the first time, then we can go for the second time around. Okay. So I'm going to use another color now. What color should I use for the ones on the back? So let's say our light is not the same, and our puppy is not the same color. It's not all over the same. How about, maybe I should use purple. I kind of like purple, and red would look good with this color, I think. Let's make this purple. So I'm going to do all this part purple. I've never seen a red dog or a purple dog. It's just that I like these colors. And that's the one I decided to go with. Sometimes you have to use your own creativity, your own mind, and change things to the way you guys want. I didn't think my dog would be purple today. I thought it would be brown. But I'm happy with these colors. I like them. I like the color choice. And then I'm going to do all this purple. And then we are going to change it where the face is. So we're going to change that one a little bit. Okay, so this part here, I'm going to do it purple again. So when you guys have one color in your hand, just do wherever you think that you should use that color, just continue with the same color in all the parts that you think should be the same color. You don't have to switch back and forth, back and forth. I do the same thing when I paint, right? So if I have, let's say, green in my hand, I go everywhere where I need green. So the same thing with coloring. So if we're using purple now, then I'm going to go everywhere where I think I should put purple in this drawing. All right. I think I'm going to go with red here. These colors are kind of similar together. And then for the face, I think I'm going to do this purple also. Now you can always mix the colors, and you can put different colors in there, guys. But these are the colors that I chose today for my drawing. And I think a bit of blue here would look good. So I think I'm going to put just a bit of blue. Right here. And it's okay if you mix two colors together, or if you go on top of the color that you had before. I think it's fine. And just a bit in the middle here. So basically what I'm doing, I'm mixing two colors together. I like the shading that it creates by mixing two colors together. And sometimes I do that. I mix colors. And I think that's about it for my drawing, guys. I think this puppy looks really nice and looks good. Well, thank you for drawing with me. I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.